Dr. Ambedkar was born in A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh Mahu. What was the name of Dr. Ambedkar's father? A. Ramji Maloji Sakpal, B. Sambhaji Sakpal, C. Yashwant Sambha Ambedkar, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Ramji Maloji Sakpal. When was Dr. Ambedkar born? A. 14th April 1891, B. 14th April 1893, C. 15th January 1889, D. 6th December 1869. Correct answer is A. 14th April 1891. When was Dr. Ambedkar given Bharat Ratna? A. 1985, B. 1980, C. 1990, D. 1973. Correct answer is C. 1990. Dr. Ambedkar was the chairman of which committee constituted to form the Indian Constitution? A. Preamble Committee, B. Drafting Committee, C. Flag Committee, D. Union Constitution Committee. Correct answer is B. Drafting Committee. Which of the following political parties has not been formed by Dr. Ambedkar? A. Indian Republican Party, B. Independent Labour Party, C. Scheduled Caste Federation, D. Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangharsh Samiti. Correct answer is D. Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangharsh Samiti. Which Indian participated in all three round table conferences? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Madan Mohan Malviya. Correct answer is A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first and only Satyagrahi to perform Satyagraha for drinking water? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the author of the book The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. M. N. Roy, C. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Which of the following weekly papers was started by Dr. B. R. Ambedkar? A. Excluded India, B. Muk Nayak, C. Janta, D. All the above. Correct answer is D. All the above. Which of the following books has been written by Dr. B. R. Ambedkar? A. Letter for a Nation, B. Thoughts on Pakistan, C. Thoughts on India, D. Train to India. Correct answer is B. Thoughts on Pakistan. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was associated with which of the following communities? A. Barar, B. Santal, C. Sangoi, D. Mahar. Correct answer is D. Mahar. Which party did Ambedkar found during the pre-independent era? A. Independent Labour Party, B. Scheduled Castes Federation, C. Congress, D. Bahujan Samaj Party. Correct answer is A. Independent Labour Party. In which year did Ambedkar pass his matric? A. 1907, B. 1807, C. 1908, D. 1808. Correct answer is A. 1907. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of which of the following? A. Constitution of India, B. Indian transport, C. Indian science, D. Indian institute. Correct answer is A. Constitution of India. Which of his books was published by Bhimrao Ambedkar on 15th May 1936? A. Annihilation of Caste, B. Helium of the Coast, C. Freedom of Caste, D. Freedom of Master. Correct answer is A. Annihilation of Caste. In which year did Bhimrao Ambedkar adopt Buddhism? A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1956, D. 1968. Correct answer is C. 1956. Till which year Bhimrao Ambedkar was a member of Bombay Legislative Council? A. 1930, B. 1934, C. 1936, D. 1938. Correct answer is C. 1936. Which article of the Constitution of India was opposed by Ambedkar? A. Article 362, B. Article 365, C. Article 370, D. Article 375. Correct answer is C. Article 370. In which year Bhimrao Ambedkar was honored with the Bodhisattva Award? A. 1950, B. 1952, C. 1956, D. 1958. Correct answer is C. 1956. Which of the following was the first Minister of Law and Justice Independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Abul Kalam Azad, C. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, D. Asaf Ali. Correct answer is C. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. From which state Bhimrao Ambedkar was appointed as a member of the Rajya Sabha on 3rd April 1952? A. Kerala, B. Gujarat, C. Bombay, D. Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Bombay. On which day Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated all over the world including India? A. 5th April. B. 14th April. C. 10th April. D. 25th April. Correct answer is B. 14th April. Bhimrao Ambedkar played an important role in the establishment of which bank? A. Bank of Baroda. B. Punjab National Bank. C. State Bank of India. D. Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is D. Reserve Bank of India. What is the name of Dr. Ambedkar's memorial site? A. Ambedkar Bhumi. B. Buddhist land. C. Chaitya Bhumi. D. Veer Bhumi. Correct answer is C. Chaitya Bhumi. Which university did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar attend for his PhD? A. Harvard University. B. Columbia University. C. University of London. D. Stanford University. Correct answer is B. Columbia University. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's autobiography is titled A. My Struggle. B. Waiting for a Visa. C. Long Walk to Freedom. D. Annihilation of Caste. Correct answer is B. Waiting for a Visa. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's famous slogan is A. Unity and Strength. B. Educate, Agitate, Organize. C. Do or Die. D. Jai Hind. Correct answer is B. Educate, Agitate, Organize. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar resigned from the cabinet in protest against the delay in the enactment of the A. Hindu Code Bill. B. Muslim Personal Law. C. Industrial Disputes Act. D. Right to Education Act. Correct answer is A. Hindu Code Bill. Which university did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar serve as a principal for a brief period? A. Sydenham College. B. Fergusson College. C. Elphinstone College. D. Hindu College. Correct answer is A. Sydenham College. Which social reformer did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar regard as his guru? A. Jyotirao Phule. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Jyotirao Phule.